This recording will teach you how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with cash. In this section, I'll guide you through general methods of buying and selling cryptocurrencies with cash. You'll learn about the pros and cons, as well as how to remain anonymous in the process. Assuming you have a sum of cash you want to invest in the cryptocurrency market, there are two methods you can utilize. However, it's crucial to note that their availability depends on the country you reside in. The first option is purchasing from a physical cryptocurrency exchange office, and the second is buying from a Bitcoin ATM. If any step in the process seems unclear, refer to other materials covering specific aspects. To use a Bitcoin ATM, you'll need to install a mobile wallet on your phone or print the QR code of your browser or cold wallet. The goal is to have your deposit address ready for the transfer of cryptocurrencies after the purchase. If you already have your deposit address, the next step is to find an ATM device you can use. In some countries, they are widespread, found in practically every city. In others, they may be non-existent. Unfortunately, this simplicity will be accessible to some and not at all to others. It's beyond my control. If you locate a machine, approach it, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase on the screen, scan your QR code, place cash in the dispenser, confirm, and wait for the transfer to be processed. The entire process should take no more than a few minutes. Once purchased, you can transfer the cryptocurrencies to any exchange, bearing in mind that, to remain anonymous, don't send them to an account where you've verified your identity, as that would automatically reveal the identity of your purchase. If anonymity is not a concern, it's more cost-effective to buy cryptocurrencies through a bank transfer or debit credit card, as Bitcoin ATMs typically have less favorable exchange rates and often charge additional fees. After the purchase and transfer to a DEX or CX exchange, you're free to trade or simply hold on to your cryptocurrencies for as long as you like. If the time comes when you want to withdraw funds, the process is essentially the same, just in reverse. Deposit the funds into your mobile wallet, visit the machine, select Sell, receive the address to send your cryptocurrencies for cash redemption, and once the transfer is confirmed, cash is dispensed. Operating such a machine is straightforward, resembling the usage of a regular ATM. There's no need for me to demonstrate the exact screen clicks since different companies manage the machines in each country, and each interface varies slightly. Another option is purchasing from a stationary cryptocurrency exchange office. Again, availability is a factor, with most countries having such offices in every major city, but some may lack them due to legal or tax regulations. Your location will significantly impact your options. If you have a local exchange office, head there, provide the staff with your deposit address, choose your cryptocurrency, and deposit cash. Your purchase should be completed within a few minutes. The transaction fee for such operations is often higher than on regular exchanges. For instance, in my area, it's 2% of the transaction value, but still lower than purchasing through a Bitcoin ATM. It's important to note that buying with cash has its advantages, such as anonymity, but the downside is that it's generally more costly. After the purchase, you can transfer your funds from your wallet to any destination or exchange, keeping in mind whether you're using verified identity exchanges or not. You're free to hold onto or trade your funds, and when the time is right, you can send them to a wallet and return to the exchange office. There, you can set the transaction amount, make a deposit to the address provided by the staff, and receive cash in return. If you're a beginner, it might seem a bit complex at first, but after your first successful purchase, you'll realize it's not that challenging. Just remember never to rush and double-check everything to avoid any mistakes that might occur during your actions. In the next segment, you'll learn how to make purchases and sales using a debit card. Until then.